Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we are going to see how to make $10,000 per month with email marketing using solo ads. Now in this part 19, the final part of this training series, we are going to see one of the most important components, if not the most important one, which is called traffic. This is going to decide if you succeed or fail in the online space. Let's see my top 3 recommended traffic sources for the solo ad sellers in order to build your email list. So if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell notification in order to get the very first notice whenever I upload my videos. So the first website that we are going to see is Udimi. You can always check the link, my affiliate link in the description box below in order to get your Udimi account. And whenever you purchase your first solo ad deal from Udimi, you will get some $5 discount from Udimi. Now, when you come to Udimi, you can click on buy solos, and here you can go to the buy filters, buy keywords, or my favorites. And I would recommend you to go click buy filters, and you can choose different parameters, like you can choose maximum price like $1 or $0.9 and it's up to $2 per click. So if you are someone who has only $1 per click, then click on $1 per click. And if you're going to choose the niche, you can always choose the niche. For us, it's going to be marketing niche, and you can choose the traffic. So we are going to choose the traffic from the US. And when you click on the search, you will get around found 797 sellers. And you might think there are so many of them, how to find one? Oh, you can always scroll down and check the different sellers, and you can always check the cost per click over here. So this is going to be the percentage of people who have got or who have reported sales from solo ad deals. The thumbs up is which is the rating given by each traffic run. So when you go down, you can choose any one of those. For our example, let us choose Thomas Freeman. And when you scroll down, you can see the buy solo ad 300 clicks. So when you scroll to the left, you can see that 175 clicks is the minimum clicks which he accepts, and it can go all the way up to 2,000, 3,000 clicks. You can always choose the number of clicks by scrolling down. And here you can see the cost per click. And when you choose the different filters over here, the only thing that you want is only top tier. So what do you mean by top tier? It means that you will receive only visitors from US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore. So when you just press it on this button, you can see the cost per click increasing to $0.88. So I always recommend you to go for the only top tier, and if possible, always go for the US traffic. And the next, if you come down, you have to insert your affiliate link, which is going to be the tracking link which we have created in Optin Dojo. You can go to Optin Dojo, and under the tracking links, you can go down and you can see this tracking link which we have created in our previous part of the training series. You can always refer to that. And when you click on this tracking link, you have the tracking URL. Copy this tracking URL, go back to your Udemy page and just copy over it. Here you can see the allow the seller to start traffic delivery earlier than scheduled. So you can always ask the seller to schedule your traffic run before the date. This is going to cost around $267. So $264 is the clicks plus $3 fee, which is going to be the Udemy fee. And you can always use the discount. And then you can click on order now. So it will take you to the checkout page where you can pay with PayPal or credit card. So that's how you can use Udemy to book your solo ad deals. So the next solo ad seller that we are going to see is Traffic Blade. So when you click on the affiliate link below in the description box, then you will reach this page, and when you scroll down below, you can see the different packages that are available. And there are 2 packages, which is expert marketer packages and beginner marketer packages. And I would request you not to get confused with the terminology used. Expert marketer packages doesn't mean that it's only for the advanced marketers. It can be used by anyone. It's just the terminology used by the Traffic Blade. And you have the beginner marketer packages. And the one main difference that you can see between these two is that in expert marketer packages, we have the 100% tier 1 countries. And when you scroll down, In beginner marketer packages, you have only 70% tier 1 countries, and I always recommend you to go for the expert marketer packages where you get 100% tier 1 countries, which is the bare minimum you should always target when running solo ads. Go for the expert marketer packages, and one important offer that the Traffic Blade is giving you is that it gives a 30% opt-in or conversion rate, which is when you get more than by 1,000 clicks, then they will provide you a landing page where it guarantees you at least a minimum of 30% opt-in, and if not, they will keep sending the traffic till you reach at least 30% of opt-in. So you can choose the number of clicks that you're going to have, 100 visitors, 1,000 visitors, or 500 visitors. I normally recommend you to get at least a minimum of 300 clicks just to test whether the offer is converting or not. So for this instant, I'm just going to click on get started for 1,000 visitors. So it takes us to the cart page where you have the product, 1,000 tier 1 visitors, and the price is $730. And if you have any coupon, then you can apply the coupon over here. And if you come down here, you can click on proceed to checkout. So once you click on that, then it will ask you first name, last name, and email address. You can always enter that. And here you can enter your squeeze page URL, which is the tracking link. So you just copy the tracking link from your Optin Dojo and just paste it over here. And this is going to be an ad or text copy, which is nothing but the email swipes. So I always suggest you not to provide any email swipes, because the seller knows the audience better than us, because what kind of subject line converts better, what kind of body content that converts better for them, so with their audience. So the one they know which resonates with their audience, so leave it to them. And after that, you can enter buy it through credit card or direct bank transfer, and once you click on the place order, an order will be placed and you will get an email of when they are going to start running your traffic. So the third and the final traffic source that I'm going to discuss here is the traffic from my own mentor Ben from Singapore. Two varieties over here. One is the 95% tier 1 countries premium traffic, and another one is 100% USA buyer only premium traffic. One of the most important unique points about his traffic is that you can rarely see an individual selling 100% USA buyer only premium traffic. You can see some of the cost of his premium USA clicks, which is around 95 cents per click, and you can see the 95% tier 1 countries, which is around 85 cents per click, so you can see that USA traffic is around 10 cents more than the tier 1 countries. Two important bonuses that you will receive if you order from Ben's traffic is that whenever you order more than a seasoned level or a pro level or a expert level clicks, then you get an important bonus, which is that free email marketing success secrets crash course, which will be available to you once you purchase the seasoned and above levels of traffic. And the second most important and unique bonus that you're going to get when you buy traffic from Ben is that you always get needless of the traffic. Even if you get 100 clicks, 200 clicks, 500 clicks, 1,000 clicks, you're going to get a 30-minute free complimentary Zoom session with him to review your entire funnel, your landing page, your email swipes, your offers, and he will also suggest you what offer is converting right now. So these are the three solo ad sellers that I would request you to look into. The first one is the Udimi, the second one is the Traffic Blade, and the third one is by my mentor Ben from Singapore. So that concludes the entire training part of how to make $10,000 with email marketing using solo ads. So with that being said, if you are someone who's really keen and really interested and serious about building an online business with email marketing, then I would request you to check out my top recommended mentorship program in the description box below in order to enroll into this passive income profits program by my mentor Ben. And you have 3 different levels over there, which is the beginners, and then the star club, and then the final one, which is the inner circle. And I would seriously recommend you to go for the Inner Circle program, where you get one-on-one access every week, and it's going to be more of like a done with you service. This is going to be a huge opportunity where you can learn with a mentor who cares about your result, who works with you one-on-one, and who's really interested in succeeding in your online space. And please don't procrastinate at this point of time. And procrastination will leave you opportunities going to dust. There's a Chinese proverb saying that the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the next best time is today. So I would request you to take your action today and enroll into the Inner Circle program and join in the online journey with us. With that being said, let's meet in another part of this email marketing business where I'm going to discuss a new topic. Let's meet there. So until then, bye.